Hello, today I will show you how to create a simple green screen in Blender's video editing. So basically I have like a static image of some sort and I would like to apply this green screen onto this static image. So most tutorials will tell you to go to compositing and here you would use nodes, etc. But there's a simpler way to achieve this without doing so. It's not as good, but it exists. And I will now show you how to do that. So basically what you want to do is go to modifiers, add a new modifier called QCorrect, and now select the value level and turn it absolutely to the minimum. So now, as you can see, there are small defects on parts that are not a green screen. We're gonna fix that in a moment, but for now, go back to strip and select add. So now, as you can see, it's pretty much a green screen. But as you can see, it's transparent. So now let's fix these defects and also this transparency. So for that we go back to modifiers, we add another strip modifier which will be color balance, and now this is important, you have to move it to the absolute top of everything. It must be above hue correct. So now if we zoom in and we start playing a bit with these options, especially gain, that's how you can fix it up. But as you can see, it's getting a bit discolored. So for example, now it's becoming more and more pink, but don't worry, it's also fixable. So now we can close out of the color balance and we can add another strip modifier, which will be also color balance. And now notice how this color balance is under the hue correct, so there needs to be a proper order for this to work. So first we have the color balance, then the hue correct, and then the another color balance where we can bring back the original red color, let's say about here. You can also play with this so it looks good enough. So now, to fix the transparency issue, all you have to do is copy the current green screen, basically duplicate the green screen, turn the opacity on the original one to 0 for a moment, so we can focus on this one, go to modifiers, and now we're gonna play with the color balance, switch the correction method to offset power slope, and turn these two up. Also multiply colors to the absolute max. Make sure it's like completely white. Also we will play with this setting a bit as much as we can. Now go back to this color balance and also switch the method to the offset power slope and try playing with these settings. Changing the lift should be enough. So now as you can see it's completely white. So now all you have to do is go back to strip and change add to subtract, and now it's completely black. So now if we go back to the original green screen and turn it up, it's gonna be perfect. It's no longer transparent. But what about these edges that are in here that are, not gonna lie, a bit annoying? Now unfortunately I don't know any method to feather it out, so it's not a perfect solution, but it works without using compositing. So now if we go back here, we can select both green screens, right click, connect strips, so now they are together, and now all you have to do is just go to transform, set your position X and Y. Now do mind you have to do it twice for both of your objects. So once I'm finished with moving this around, I have to go to the another one and basically type the exact same X and Y and the scale as well, and there you go. That's how you make a green screen in Blender's video editing without using compositing. Thanks for watching, hopefully this video helped you. See you next time, bye.